Have you ever wondered just how much wealth a Beam wallet can hold? Is there a limit to the number of Beam tokens you can accumulate? Let's dive into the exciting world of Beam and uncover the answer to this intriguing question. Before we delve into the specifics, let's quickly recap what Beam is. Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that prioritizes user anonymity and security. It employs cutting-edge cryptographic techniques to ensure that your transactions remain confidential. The core question: how much can a Beam wallet hold? Now, the million-dollar question: is there a limit to the amount of Beam you can store in your wallet? The short answer: no limit. Unlike traditional financial systems, Beam doesn't impose arbitrary restrictions on the amount of cryptocurrency you can own. Your Beam wallet is essentially a digital vault, capable of holding as many Beam tokens as you can acquire. Understanding the technicalities. While there's no theoretical limit, it's important to consider some practical factors. Wallet storage capacity. Your wallet storage capacity depends on the specific type of wallet you're using. Hardware wallets, for instance, often have more storage space than software wallets. However, even with hardware wallets, you're unlikely to reach a limit anytime soon, given the relatively small size of Beam transactions. Network capacity. The Beam network itself can handle a massive number of transactions. As the network continues to grow and evolve, its capacity to process transactions will increase. Personal wealth. Ultimately, the maximum amount of Beam you can hold is limited by your personal financial resources and your ability to acquire more tokens. The future of Beam and wallet capacity. As Beam continues to gain popularity and mature as a cryptocurrency, we can expect further advancements in wallet technology and network capacity. This means that the potential for storing large amounts of Beam will only grow. Key takeaways. Beam wallets have no theoretical limit on the amount of Beam they can hold. Practical factors like wallet storage capacity and network capacity may influence the maximum amount you can store. As Beam evolves, we can anticipate increased wallet capacity and network scalability. So, the next time you wonder about the limits of your Beam wallet, rest assured that the sky's the limit. With Beam's commitment to privacy, security, and scalability, you can confidently store and manage your wealth without fear of arbitrary restrictions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.